Hi everyone, welcome back to the Relax and Craft YouTube channel. My name's Fleur and today we're going to be unboxing the October Relax and Craft jewellery making subscription box. So this box was launched on the 10th of October and the inspiration designer was the wonderful Katie Parker from Katie Parker Jewellery. All her details will be below in the description box if you want to check her out. But in essence, a subscription box is everything that you're going to need to make at least 5 pieces of jewellery that are all based around a technique, so a jewellery making medium technique. So you will be able to make, like I say, 5 pieces of jewellery, but you will get tutorials for 3 of those projects. So with the past or the spare subscription boxes, I pop those onto the website. So if you just want this box without subscribing, you can buy this box from the 21st of each month. Just check out the website, see if there's any of them left. They do go quite quickly. But they will be on there from the 21st of each month. Like I said, this one is the October one and it's based around the jewellery medium of crochet. So crochet is not really known for jewellery, but when you see what Katie has made, then you'll see that crochet and beads go hand in hand together. So let's open the box. So as you can see, the box is jam-packed full of goodies. So with any Relax and Craft box, all you need is a basic toolkit to make everything. If you need specialist tools, then they will come inside the box for you. So the first thing is we've got our relax part of our box. So every box comes with a cup of tea and a packet of biscuits. So you can have a lovely brew while you're eating your biscuits and unpacking the rest of your box. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything out of the bags and I'm going to show you up close and personal what's in each of these bags. But as you can see, these gorgeous organza coloured bags are perfect for storing your collections in, perfect for gifting your pieces or for selling your pieces as well. So you've got your packaging perfectly ready for you if you do want to gift or sell these pieces. So the first thing that we're going to look at is the findings that come in the box. So you will have enough findings to make at least 5 pieces of jewellery. If you have other findings in your stash, then obviously you can use those as well, but you will have enough here to make at least 5 pieces. So in this findings pack, you're going to get shepherd's hooks, head pins, large closed jump rings, you're getting your culottes, your crimp beads, your open jump rings and some clasps. So they are all silver plated on base metal. They are nickel, lead and cadmium free. So you don't have to worry about any metal allergies with these ones. And then moving on, we've got our threading materials. So we've got our monofilament, which is our clear nylon thread, and we also have our black 0.3 beading thread. So these are perfect for your crochet. So they are fine enough to get that gorgeous drape, hold that crochet stitch beautifully and add texture to your pieces. So you've got lots on each of these reels. You're also going to get your wire. So this is silver plated non-tarnished wire. You're going to get 3 meters of your 1mm wire. So beautiful 1mm wire in silver plated copper. And you're also going to get your 0.6, you're going to get 5 meters of 0.6 silver plated copper wire. You're also going to get the tools that you need to crochet with, because without these we can't crochet. So we've got a 3mm and a 4.5mm crochet hook, so you can decide which look you like best. Obviously, if you know anything about crochet, you know that the size of the hook denotes the size of the stitch that you're going to make, or the size of the loop when you're looking at it in jewellery making. So you can decide which one you like the look of more, have a little experiment with both of them, and you can then sort of like make what you want. You may even be able to mix the two of them together as well. So now let's go on to the star of the show, which is our gemstones. So the first strand of gemstones that we've got in this box are 6mm gorgeous green gold shell pearls. Now these are beautiful. These have been specially dyed to match the other gemstones which are in the box, which is really special. So they're like a greenish gold, like a chartreuse, but with a lot more gold than green. So they have got the whole 38cm strand of your 6mm shell pearl. If you don't know what shell pearls are, they are reconstituted shells which are then held together with a resin and then dyed into the colour that they are going to be. So in this case, our beautiful green gold. We've then got a strand of 6mm golden obsidian. Now the reason why these were coloured in this colour is because they match the beautiful golden sheens of the golden obsidian perfectly. So if you've never seen golden obsidian before, it's also known as a volcanic glass. It is a gemstone, but you can see these beautiful golden flashes that come across the surface of all of these beads, and the gold which is in there matches the gold. If I just put them side by side, you can see it matches the gold perfectly of the gold in the shell pearl. So you've got two 38cm strands of one of your golden obsidian, one of your shell pearl. Then we have two 80cm strands, so nearly a metre in each strand of golden obsidian chips or nuggets. So they're a little bit bigger than chips. I would expect chips to be like a 3 to 5mm. These are 5 to 8mm. So you can see the beautiful, the texture with these is just unreal. And because you've got those natural flat sides of those nuggets where they've been tumbled and polished, you get that beautiful golden sheen all the way across the surface. They really are very, very special, these. They're absolutely beautiful. So you get two full strands, two 80m strands of your golden obsidian. So if I just put all the gemstones together, you'll be able to see them all beautifully. So we have the obsidian rounds in the middle, we have our shell pearl rounds, and then our two strands of our golden obsidian nuggets. Now, all of the spare boxes do come with the main PDF tutorial. So if you're looking at all of this and thinking, I don't know how to crochet, I don't know how to make jewellery, then you will get a PDF tutorial showing you how to create the main piece of jewellery, which is the most beautiful crochet necklace designed and written by the wonderful Katie Parker. So you will have your hand held all the way through, and then if you did want to become a subscriber and you do subscribe to the boxes or the digital subscription, you'll then get access to all the other videos as well that go with this box and all the previous boxes as well. So thank you for watching. I'm going to put some pictures now of what Katie has made and some pictures of the gemstones up close and personal so you can really see how stunning they are. But thank you very much for watching, and if you've liked this video, please give it a like and maybe subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing lots more jewellery making tutorials, unboxings and tool reviews. Thanks for watching.